Hello friends, welcome to Communication Skills for Everyone. In this channel, you're going to learn English language skills, personality development, vocabulary, and all-round development.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Sujita. I'm here to give presentation on gender equality today. What is gender equality? Gender equality means that all genders are free to pursue whatever career, lifestyle, choice, and abilities they want without discrimination. Their rights, opportunities, and access to society are not different based on their gender. Gender equality does not necessarily mean that everyone is treated exactly the same. Their different needs and dreams are valued equally. Gender equality is often discussed at the same time as gender equality for this reason. Since society has favored men for so long, men have many advantages. This is the graphical report of gender equality. If we see in 1970s, there was huge gender gap between men and women. As years were passing, there was growth in index of women. It represents that women are trying to come forward to stand on their own feet and fight equal to men. If we go back to history, women were restricted to home and they were controlled by men. Women have faced intense discrimination from a lack of legal rights and very little independence from their husbands to being thought to have inferior brains. In many societies, women have been viewed as less than a fully human. All too often, women and girls are discriminated against their health, education, political representation, and they are treated very poorly and seen as unhuman. Some of the causes of gender equality were uneven access to education, lack of employment equality, job segregation, lack of legal protections, lack of bodily autonomy, poor medical care, lack of religious freedom, lack of political representation, and societal mindset. There are many kinds of gender inequality or gender disparity which are as follows: inequality in family, inequality in workplace, inequality in education. Inequality in family. The father alone detains parental authority in family, but a mother is restricted to only household works and she must look after everybody in the house. Inequality in workplace. Women are expected to be homemakers, wives or mothers first, and professionals second. Though few women are stepping out to work, they are paid very less compared to women. Inequality in education. Most of the girls often kept home from school to help with family care and housework, and there were different barriers to girls' education like poverty, lack of safety, violence, etc. The equality can be achieved by following these steps: make education gender sensitive, give proper work to women's work, work together, encourage women into non-traditional vocations, empower mothers, stop child marriages, stop the violence, raise aspirations of girls and their parents. Women's suffrage march. Women started tired of not having freedom and equal opportunities. So they decided to make a move called women's suffrage movement. The women had a long and hard fight. The women of the suffrage movement of the early 1800s until the early 1900s stood up for their rights and what they believed in. Throughout their fight, the women formed many different groups or organizations and fought unitedly. In 1918, women finally got the vote, but not fully until the 1920s, and still not everybody agreed with this. After the vote, in 1920, women could become lawyers. In 1922, women could inherit property. 1929, women became persons by law. In 1970, Equal Pay Act makes it illegal to pay women at different rates. 1980, women allowed to borrow in same name. The movement had promoted human welfare in numerous ways around the world, and that changed the mindsets of everybody to promote the gender equality. Gender equality today. The world has made great stride towards greater gender equality. Today, more girls are able to access and continue their primary education, incidence of child marriage is declining, and concrete legal reforms and actions are making national systems such as health, education, water, and sanitation more responsive to the needs and vulnerabilities of millions of undeserved women and girls. If we compare past with present, the situations are changed a lot. The literacy rate of girls has increased and the strength of girls in schools is also increased. Equality in education. According to recent data, there has been a considerable increase in the participation of girls in school. The numerical strength of girls as well as boys has increased rapidly during the last few decades and in particular since 1990. The gap between the number of boys and girls has also reduced. In many states, there has been a significant improvement in girls' enrollments during 6 years. Each educated girl, by one way or another way, makes some positive changes in society. She turns into a motivation for other girls. Equality in workplace. There are some organizations that appraise, measure, and do changes in their organization policies and procedures in order to attract talented women to work in a diversifying workforce. Doesn't mean that when there are still difficulties in the working environment, women should stop trying to achieve their dreams. And it represents that women are leaving behind their old dependence on men and becoming more autonomous and self-determined to succeed. In society, social scientists have documented a dramatic change in gender inequality in the last half century, sometimes called a gender revolution. Women's employment increased and became the norm even for mothers of young children. The proportion of women receiving bachelor's degree or doctoral degrees is dramatically. A new women's movement have emerged. Government of India has taken several measures, interventions, and strengthened institutional mechanisms towards the empowerment of women and for elimination of gender gap and equality. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao can be translated to save the daughter, educate the daughter. This initiative primarily spreads awareness about the current situation of girls in India. It emphasizes the need to educate young girls. One step scheme. The objective of this is to support women affected by violence in private and public spaces. Traveler scheme is a comprehensive scheme for prevention of trafficking and rescue, rehabilitation, and reintegration of victims of trafficking with commercial sexual exploitation. Government has also established separate ministry for women and child development which is meant to improve their conditions. Reservation in panchayat and many government sectors. Establishment of National Women Constitution for women justice and launching of various welfare programs for improving the women's status. There are, they are the great women who have made India very proud and made a transformative impact on the lives of women. They worked very hard and succeeded in achieving their goals. In every sector like politics, sports, education, business, and whatnot, they fought equal to men and stood as inspirational to every woman. And finally, gender equality may not be a reality in practice, but it is a goal worth chasing. Every small step in this direction would be a milestone in empowering women with their due. Each small success would be a liberating and enriching experience both for individual and the nation. And at last, I want to say gender is the sign of the human, but not the signature of success. And I thank everybody for giving me this opportunity to share few words. Thank you.